Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE2, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this process will remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. So I'm going to quickly lock the device just so you can see my pattern right here, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. So we're going to start off by holding our power key and then selecting power off. Now I should mention before I progress any further, this will remove all the data from your device. So if you have something that you would like to keep but you don't know your pattern, you might want to look for some other alternatives, though I don't really know how to help you with that, because you can't copy data, for instance, to your computer if you don't know your pattern. So yeah, now that you're aware of this, let's progress. So anyway, I'm gonna hold power key and volume down at the same time. And when you see the OnePlus logo, you want to let go of the power key as I just did, but keep holding volume down. And when you see the language selection, you can let go of the other key as well. And here, simply tap on the language that you wish to use. I'll be selecting English. And then you should be in the recovery mode. So in here, you want to select wipe data, and then make sure you select format data. There is this might be actually a interesting option for the people that would like to keep their data. Now, as you can see, it does actually say that it retains contacts, messages, and photos. Now, obviously, it won't retain everything, so you will still be subject to losing something, but it might keep the more important things that you would probably like to keep. So you just select this one instead. Now, I'll be choosing format data instead, and in both cases, you should see this kind of page right here. As I mentioned, this removes PIN, pattern, password. This that you can see right here, just a randomly generated code as a verification, so you don't mistakenly wipe your phone. So this code will change every time you tap on the format or wipe data, and right now for me it's 7776. And once you confirm it, you can see it tells us format data, all user data will be reset. I'm gonna select format. This begins the process, which at this stage only takes a couple seconds, gives you a pop-up, wipe successful, so confirm by tapping on OK. And this automatically reboots the device and continues the process in the background. So you want to give it like a minute to 5 minutes to finish up, and once it has, we should be presented with our Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, once the process is finished, you can then set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.